Quick stress relief techniques. Stress can weigh us down, but quick relief is possible. In this video, we'll explore simple techniques you can try right now to feel calmer and more focused. Tip 1. Take a deep breath in for 4 counts, hold it for 4 counts, and exhale for 4 counts. Repeat this for 1-2 minutes. It's a proven way to calm your nervous system. Tip 2. Gratitude pause. Think of one thing you're grateful for and write it down. Gratitude shifts your mindset away from stress and towards positivity. Tip 3. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense each muscle group for 5 seconds, then release. Start with your feet and move up to your head. This helps release physical tension caused by stress. Tip 4. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place, like a sunny beach, forest, or cozy room. Visualizing calm surroundings reduces stress quickly. Tip 5. Drink water. Take a slow sip of water. Hydration supports brain function and helps you feel refreshed during stressful moments. Tip 6. Positive affirmation. Repeat a calming phrase to yourself like, "I am capable of handling this," or "This feeling will pass." Positive self-talk rewires your mindset. Tip 7. Quick journaling. Grab a piece of paper and write down your thoughts or feelings for 1 minute. Journaling clears your mind and helps process emotions. Try these tips anytime you feel overwhelmed. For more simple ways to stay mentally strong, follow To Reality and Facebook page, and if you want more video, you can subscribe us in YouTube. Let's make mental health a part of your daily life.